Andrew Gerard here, back again. Today I want to share with you a very, very quick, very short video, I hope, but you know me. So this is a black and white photo from a recent shoot with model Margosha. And here's another image from the same shoot. Kind of see. This is a very specific shoot because Margosha did not have on any makeup. I'm zooming in. You can see that part of her lips here. You'll often get this where people's lips aren't perfect. Nobody's are. And it's not that her lips are chapped or necessarily dry. It's just the way lips are, especially when you're shooting in black and white. So what we're going to do today to fix this, now think for yourself how you do this. Some of you would create a new layer. You would get a clone tool and you'd start stamping and cloning in and doing this. But the lines wouldn't match up and you'd have to go, oh, well, this line is here and it's over here. And it ends up looking kind of hazy or kind of blurry. So we don't want to do that. Command J will give me a brand new layer. I'm going to use the patch tool. Take the patch tool, just draw to the edge of her lip. You don't even have to be perfect here like this, and draw all the way down till you get all the way around the parts that you want to replace. I like that. I'm going to take this and I'm actually, see these lines on her lips? I'm going to drag this straight down, lining it up till it gets just to the edge of her mouth, right about that, and let go. And Command D, look at how much further ahead we are now. We've done like 90% of the work, and these lines naturally occurring in her lips are already there. They're already perfect. So now that you have this, now I'd go in with the stamped clone tool, and you can just gently touch up just the very small edges. Keep in mind it should get darker as it gets to the center of the mouth. And part of this technique can also create kind of a new problem for you too if you're not careful. When you do this, it can make the lips, although they look better, it's missing something. And what that's missing is a sense of sheen or gloss. So go into your brush menu, and I'm going to do a little plug here of my buddy Joel Grimes Beauty Brushes. The bottom gloss is fantastic. So I'm going to get a full A, he calls it, this one, and zoom in here. Make sure your foreground's on white. You can do this on a new layer if you like. At 100%, one click there, Command T, and now I can transform this as much as you want using the Command and Shift. If you don't know how to do that, you can look that in another video of mine. Position it around to where it would kind of naturally exist. Something like that. Press Enter. Changing the blend mode to overlay. Command 0, going back. Now, it's a little too much, right? Which is fine. So we're going to back it off a little bit. And we can even create a mask on here, of course, using a brush just to soften that inside edge, just like that, and there we go. Command E to merge that down, and I'm going to show you the before and after so you can see for yourself. Before, after, before, after. Nobody would ever know. How are they going to know? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't know where Joel sells his brushes. It's probably on his website if you want. This isn't a sponsored video, but check out Joel Grimes' stuff. He's awesome. And if you'd like to check out any of my other videos, I appreciate it. Have a good day.